What's Python? Well, Python is like a super friendly computer language. It is designed to be easy to understand, making it perfect for beginners. It is a special language that computers understand, not like our languages. Imagine you're teaching a robot how to do things. Python is like the instructions you give to that robot so it knows what to do. Like we use words and sentences to communicate, we use Python to tell computers what to do. Who use Python? Data analysts, web developers, machine learning engineers, scientists and researchers, bioinformaticians, automation specialists, and creative professionals. What makes Python special? Python syntax is human-readable and enjoyable to work with. Python galaxy of libraries and frameworks adapts to various needs. Global community drives Python's growth, showcasing community power. How big companies like Google and Facebook manage their computer system. It's all thanks to Python's behind-the-scenes magic.